Slithery and snakes. Introduction. Snakes are reptiles. There are several thousand kinds of snakes. They live in oceans, in trees, and on land, and they survive in unusual ways. Wild snakes live almost everywhere on Earth except Antarctica and some islands. Some wild snakes may live as long as 25 years. Snake trait. Snakes are cold-blooded. Their body temperature changes with the temperature around them. Snakes fight sunshine to stay warm. They fight shade to stay cool. During winter, some snakes stay underground or under rock piles to stay warm. Snakes also rest in groups to share body heat. Snakes have long backbones. Their backbones have many separate bones, which lets them move in many ways. A snake's body is covered in scales. The scales protect it. They also help keep the snake dry. The scales grow from its skin. Snakes use their scales and muscles to move. To move. The scales on their belly grab the surface beneath them. Their muscles help them move along the ground. Some snakes even use their muscles and scales to climb trees. Snake scales look like a single sheet of skin. Snakes don't shed skin. Instead, they shed the outer layers of their scales up to four times per year. This is called molting. When molting snakes rub against something like a rock or log, this helps their outer layer stretch and split. Young snakes shed more because they grow fast. Snakes also shed to get rid of pests on their scales. Snakes have clear scales instead of eyelids. The scales keep their eyes from drying out. Snakes cannot blink. Cannot. Snakes do not have ears, you can see. Instead, sound passes through their jaws to their inner ears, which send the sound to their brain. Another important feature of a snake is its tongue. Snakes use their tongue to smell. Smells in the air stick to their tongue. They identify the smell using special sacs behind their nose. Some snakes can sense the heat of animals nearby. Peas near the snake's eye sense heat. These snakes can tell how far away something is in the dark when they hunt. Hunting and eating. Snakes are meat eaters. Some snakes inject venom when biting prey. Other snakes squeeze prey to death. Some snakes swallow prey alive. Most snakes' jaws are loosely connected. These last snakes open their mouth wide to swallow large prey. Snakes' fangs and other teeth point backward, helping push food toward their throat. Snakes have a breathing tube that they push out of their mouth. This lets them breathe when they swallow prey. Muscles move into the stomach. Stomach acids turn prey into liquid. How snakes are born? Most female snakes that lived in cold areas lay eggs in late spring or early summer. Snakes that live in warmer areas may mate at any time of year. Baby snake may grow sharp teeth to cut through the eggs. Once they hatch, they must survive on their own and face many dangers. Some female snakes keep eggs inside their body until they hatch. Then they give birth to live babies. Venomous snakes. Venom is a dangerous liquid. Some snakes inject venom when they bite with their fangs. Venom is made in sacs behind the snake's eyes. It flows through the snake's fangs from these sacs. Snakes use venom to defend and attack. Snakes usually inject more venom when biting in defense. The venom paralyzes paralyzes their prey. Some snakes inject venom and let the prey go. They follow the prey until it dies. Other snakes use their teeth or body to hold onto prey until it dries. They eat it. Conclusion: snakes are amazing hunters. They have survived almost everywhere. Snakes are unusual animals that play an important role in our environment.